Dear students, congratulations for successfully completing the lesson on reference and information services during the 9th week of the 15 weeks course on information sources, systems and services. During this week, you were introduced to the need for having reference and information services in libraries and information organizations. You have been informed that reference service is the intensive and exhaustive kind of personal service which tries to bring together the user and the information. In fact, reference services bridge the gap between the information source and the user. The reference librarian who understands the users and their needs best supports the needs and services of the users. In addition, you were also informed that the benefits of information services lie in the fact that these can help the users to get the right information at a right time in right quantity and thereby enhance their understanding and application. The services are primarily on demand and occasionally these are alert type and based on an institution's collection. In addition to that, the services which are offered by the different organizations, these could be responsive services or anticipatory services. Responsive services are those which are given in response to request by the user. In case of anticipatory services, the organization is prepared in anticipation of what the users may require. Traditionally, library information services were limited to the material that a library owned, but presently electronic means of communication are changing the mechanism of information services. During the 10th week of this 15-week course, you will learn about reference interview, literature search and search techniques.